What the fuck is going on, guys? Welcome back to another fucking story time. You already know what the fuck is about to go down. But what's up? We're chilling in space. Let me know where you guys want me to go next. But before I tell this story about my first time doing DXM in a fucking long time, few years, don't do that drug. Do this drug instead if you're gonna do a drug. Probably smoke flower instead as well. I'm gonna smoke this cart for you guys. Obviously not for me and obvious because I don't want to get high. Let's do it. Namaste. Don't do drugs, guys. Watch me do them instead. Oh my god. Alright, guys, see? Don't do drugs, like I said. You don't wanna you don't wanna do them. Let's get the fuck into the story though. Alright! So, today I'm gonna be talking to you guys about my first time doing DXM in years. Very long time. Which is good. Don't do this shit. This is a struggle drug. I know it's a struggle drug. You know it's a struggle drug. There's just those that don't like to admit that. Everybody knows that, though. Even the ones who don't want to admit it, they know that. Don't do this weak-ass drug. So, this story starts off very recently. I can't speak, sorry. I'm fucking chopped, bro. Very recently. As in, like, 3 weeks ago. And 3 weeks ago, I've been going through some rough patches with my significant other, so to say. And these rough patches were more towards the end of the relationship type rough. Like, it wore on me, I can't lie. I clearly suck at handling my feelings. It's why I do drugs. Anyways, part of this rough patch was her coming to drop off my clothes. And, you know, we'll start it a little bit before that because let's be honest, y'all did not come here for, like, a relationship drama. You came here for drugs. So we split during this day prior and then go through said rough patch. Say rough patch 5 times right now. Stop making fun of me then. I'm now currently home and it's like 12. That's where we'll start this story. I just woke up. I can't believe what the fuck just happened. I hate how I feel. Ow, my feelings. Let's do drugs. Never mind. I am good at handling my feelings. Never mind. I smoke weed, obviously not enough. I don't have alcohol. I don't have anyone to get it for me. I don't have this, I don't have that, but, because otherwise I would just drink myself here, drink myself to death here. Instead, I want to drink something else till I fucking die. That's very, 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 very old. It's a very, very fucking old bottle of DXM. I mean, it's actually from the last time that I fucking did the thing. I whip it out, down the entire fucking bottle. I mean, it's definitely not hitting as strongly as I'd like, you know, because it's fucking years old. So I go to the medicine cabinet and I find anything that has the only ingredient, dextromethorphan, DXM, of course, because that's the only ingredient your DXM bottle should have listed if you're going to do this weak-ass drug on your label. Because you check your labels, because you're safe, because you're smart. Right? So, I downed the rest of whatever was in that too. I did find like this little bottle. It had like half, I think. It was like half, but it was like a smaller bottle, so it couldn't have been that. I mean, it was decently sized. It was a good amount, okay? Because I downed that too, and then 20 minutes after that is when I really start to feel shit move in my stomach. Because mostly, holy fuck, I feel sick. But then, you know, as that kind of passes, not really. And then my body starts to feel heavy. Almost like I'm not in control, you know, not like just good, feeling heavy. It feels good, I can't lie. But almost as if my limbs are too heavy for me. Like my eyes are starting to feel watery as well. I can feel them just like watering. My thoughts are simplified fairly quickly, as I actually forget Stacy, the one I'm going through this with, was coming to drop off my clothes today. Yeah, we're done at this point, and she has a lot of them. She drops them off, and I get out, and she drives away. But like, as she's driving away, she stops and comes back. She probably could tell something was up. I'm low-key happy because I don't want to lose Bae. We talk, and she quickly notices I'm on the shits because she asked me, and she reminds me, "Hey, don't you work?" Fuck, bro. It's like 3 something, and I start at 4, and now I'm feeling all fucked up in the head. A lot of confusion. After a lot of confusion, and I mean lots of confusion, we actually drove off from my house and we parked in front of this park. It's actually my park, the one we parked in front of. I've been going to this park since 2nd grade. This is my park. I own this park. So we park in my park. And, I remember the lights actually being very stretchy, like that bleach water eye stretch effect after you swim in fucking bleachy ass water. The lights were interesting and shiny, I will say. The lights were interesting and shiny. But, I felt just as sickly and just fucked up in the stomach area as I thought the shit was cool. So, it's not worth it. And, like I said, feeling all this sickness and all this bullshit made me confused in the head. On top of, I just can't think straight. I'm just already confused about everything, automatically. Because I'm fucking feeling stupid. I'm up to fucking DXM got me feeling retarded. Like, bro, I'm fucking stupid right now. I'm trying to decide if I can call in, what I should do. But come on, fuck it. Let's do it. I text my manager. Don't even call him. It's crazy. Of course I get hit with call the store, so I do. It's actually not a big deal. They make it sound like, because you can tell in my voice I actually sound sick and fucking confused and fucked. I sound like I'm on shit, but hopefully they just think I'm sick. I don't know. Doesn't matter because I still have the job, so woo! I go back to being confused still, but now just in conversation with Stacy. Conversation actually goes fine enough to where we hang. But she fucking works tonight too, and it's like, bro, well, let's eat before I go to work. I'm like, fuck no. I feel just so fucking sick and low-key deathly for a little bit, bro. I'm not gonna lie. I want to lay down. So we do. We go back to my crib. We lay down for a little bit. She goes to work, and now that we're not technically split, I'm not depressed. Healthy, right? So now I'm on this drug, but I'm chilling. But still sick in the stomach, I will say. I had a big euphoria moment after she left because I'm like, damn, I did feel for her. If she were to leave, I really do feel for her, damn. Sort of like a trip moment type of thought, like LSD, acid, or shroom trip type of thought. But I do try to eat. Yeah, that shit's not happening. It feels fucking nasty, bro. Like someone's actually gripping my fucking gut, bro. I'm not eating off this shit. I start to feel sick to the point where I'm like, okay, bro, let's just lay down. And before that, I tried to even play 2K. I remember I even tried playing some 2K. I hopped on because I'm like, wait, I feel kind of good, but wait, I'm sick. But wait, I feel kind of good, but wait, I feel sick. But wait, I feel kind of good. It's kind of this weird back and forth because the drug does feel good. But on top of it, you feel like shit in the stomach. At least me personally, every time I do, I want to fucking throw up. All the time. I can't eat. I feel gross in the stomach. And don't hit me with it's because you don't eat food. It's because it's fucking, bro, it's fucking cough syrup medicine, bro. It's not supposed to be ingested in that large of amounts, bro. We shouldn't be doing this fucking weak-ass drug, bro. It's actually so unhealthy for you. Even with just the active ingredient, DXM. It's not made to be drank in large fucking doses. Be safe, guys, because I laid down after trying to play some 2K, but I feel so sick that I have to lay down. And, yeah, I lay down and, that's a dangerous game. We all know what happened from there. Don't do this weak-ass drug. Be safe, guys, and I promise there's millions of other ways to handle whatever you're going through rather than this weak-ass drug or any drug, as a matter of fact. Because, look, drugs don't solve your problems. You do. I love you guys. Thank you for listening. We did it! Like I said, don't do this weak ass drug. This is my first time doing it in years, and I will never do this fucking weak ass shit again. Just smoke this out. Don't do drugs! Anyways, love you guys. Have a good day, night, whenever you're watching. Bye. No, wait. Like and subscribe too, if you want to watch more videos like this. Bye. Let's get your bitch!